Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Add 1 egg to 500 grams, 1.1 pounds, of ground meat. Add salt and black pepper. Add paprika and dried thyme. Hard boil the 2 eggs. "500 grams of potatoes, about 1.1 pounds. Potatoes are rich in potassium, vitamin C and B6, improve digestion, and support heart health. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. Place the potatoes into the pot. Add salt and water, then boil until the potatoes are tender. Boil the eggs for 10 minutes. One red onion. Red onion is rich in antioxidants and supports heart and immune health. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. Butter and vegetable oil and olive oil. Fry the onion. Grate the carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and support eye health. The vibrant color of red onions comes from powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. Eating red onions regularly may help lower blood sugar and improve digestion. Add the grated carrot to the onion. Two garlic cloves. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Ancient Egyptians used garlic as currency and fed it to pyramid builders. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Add garlic to the onion and carrot. Fry until soft. Grate one onion on a grater. Onions can make you cry, but they also boost immunity. Add it to the minced meat. One clove of garlic. Add the fried onion and carrot to the minced meat. Add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix everything well. Grease a baking dish with vegetable or olive oil. Grate 150 grams, 5 ounces, of cheese. Cheese is rich in calcium and protein, supporting bones and muscles. Transfer it to a bowl. Grate the eggs. Add them to the cheese. Add 2 tablespoons of mayo. Salt and black pepper. Mix everything well. Pickled cucumbers. Pickles were once used as portable snacks for sailors and soldiers. Form the cutlets from the minced meat. Place on plastic wrap and spread evenly. Place 1 spoon of the cheese filling. One slice of bacon. Pickled cucumbers. Shape into patties. Please subscribe to my channel. Place them in a baking dish. Repeat the process with the remaining meat. Cutlets originated in Europe and became popular worldwide in many variations. Meat cutlets were once a way to stretch expensive meat economically. Cutlets can be made from meat, fish, or even vegetables. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Dill. Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. Add milk and butter to the potatoes. Make a potato puree. Add dill. Mix everything well. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. It already looks so delicious, I love it. Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.